Hey crafty friends, Chantel here. Wanted to come on and show you this super cute sketchbook that I created. I was inspired by a video I saw Bailey Ray. She is here on YouTube and she's an artist and she does all kinds of things. So I wanted to make one for myself, and I used some chipboard to do the binding and these 3 sketch pads that came in a pack of 3 from Walmart. It was like 89 cents, so that was super inexpensive, and it looks like I paid 19, 15, $20 for it. I love the bright colors and it's just, I love the way it turned out. So I used some chipboard on the front and the back cover so that I can make it, fairly sturdy. And yeah, it was just super easy. I had some chipboard, some brown chipboard, and I took that and cut it down to the size that I needed it to fit the sketch pads I had. And then I took some cardstock. This is just one that was on my desk for an example. And I cut that down just about a ½ inch larger all the way around the chipboard piece so that I can fold the edges over. And you wouldn't be able to see that on the inside, like it would fold over all the way across the chipboard. So here you can see how it folded all the way over, and you don't see any of the brown from the chipboard. Then I took another sheet from that same paper pad and just cut them down to cover the front and the back covers. Use a little bit of this here glue. Love this glue, is almost like super glue. And I binded them all together. Only took a few minutes for it to dry, which was awesome. And yeah, it just worked so well. I took another piece of that brown, put it on the outside seam, and then added this piece of bling just to like give some separation from those 2 colors of paper. This piece here is in a paper pad. You know how sometimes your paper pads will have a sheet that has different sentiments that, are like squared off? So that's what this is. I just took it and cut it down to coordinate with what I was working with and added it on the front. Adventure awaits. It rung to me because that's exactly what's going on. Adventure is awaiting me, and I just need to jot it down inside this pad. So yeah, this was super easy. I enjoyed it very much so. Not hard to do at all. I may have, with the drying time of the glue and everything, took me 20 minutes. Not bad at all. So I hope you give it a try for yourself, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.